So we have purchased Copilot Pro, and the first thing we're going to try to do is now use Copilot, which is now integrated with Microsoft 365, and I'm going to use it to create me some PowerPoint slides here. So I have PowerPoint open, and to use Copilot, you want to make sure you select the Home tab here, go over to the far right, and then you're going to click on this button here that says Copilot. And then this is where all the magic happens. So you can come in here and you can say, create me a presentation on, let's just say, cell phones. And what Copilot will do is it's going to go ahead and generate some slides for you based on that topic, which is cell phones. So we just wait and see how it goes. And here we are. It created about 4 slides, starting with the evolution of cell phones, smartphones, traditional phones, etc., which is very interesting and very powerful. So I am going to be going ahead and making some more videos with Copilot for Microsoft 365. Hopefully you all found this video very helpful.